Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix voice assistant not working on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So we're going to do this in a couple of steps. So I'm going to show you each method. Try out the method. If the method does not work, you move to the next method. So the first thing we're going to do is a soft restart. And you do that by going to quick settings, all settings. Come over here to system and go to the bottom. You find restart. So click on restart and click on restart. That will restart the device, and if you turn it back on, try to use the voice assistant again. If it does not work, head over to a hard restart. To do this, just unplug your device from current, leave it for 30 minutes. Try to power it on with the remote. So try to power your Chromecast on with the remote while it is not connected. This is trying to perform a power drain. Then after 10 minutes, you reconnect it back to current, turn it on as usual, and try to use the voice assistant. If it does not work, move over to the next step. So the next step, we're going to check the Wi-Fi. So just head over to quick settings, go to all settings, click on the network and internet, and ensure that you have a good internet connection. Now you don't just need to have a good internet connection. The internet connection needs to have data and it needs to be working. Now when it's working and the connection is strong, try to use the voice controls again on the voice assistant. If they don't work, okay, then move to the next step. So if you've made sure your internet connection is good and your Wi-Fi is connected to a good connection and the connection has internet and it still does not work, you can turn on the voice assistant. This may be because something has caused it to go off. So just move over to the profile. So I'm using DaveTech profile. From here, just go to manage accounts, then go to the account. Here you find voice assistant. Click on this and turn it on. Now make sure this is on. If it is on, this button right here where it says voice control, make sure this is toggled on. If it was off and you just toggled it on, go and try to use voice controls and it should work now. If not, hop over to the next possible solution. So the next possible solution is going to go to settings. So we're going to get over to settings, quick settings, all settings. So we're looking for permissions. So under accessibility, I'm going to scroll over to the apps, pardon me, under apps, you're going to look at app permissions. Now for all the apps which you want to have the microphone access, click on microphone. And if you want to use that voice assistant on any app, make sure the app has the ability to use the microphone. So do not reject permissions for any app that would be using the mic. So if the app has to use a voice assistant, if you want to use a voice assistant in the app, make sure the app has microphone permissions granted. In my case, you see I have no apps tonight. Ensure that that's the case for you, and trust me, that could solve the issue. So go back to the app and try to use the voice assistant again. If it does not work, alright, we're going to move to the next step, which is going to be found in system. So go to system, we're going to go to date and time. Ensure that you have automatic date and time turned on, meaning you are using the network provided time. This is a very important system setting. It's going to ensure that the voice assistant is going to work. So turn this on, and if that's on, try again. At this point in time, your voice assistant should begin to work, and when you put in the commands, they should actually be respected, and you should be able to give voice commands on Chromecast. So if you had the solution to that problem and it is now fixed, drop me a like, let me know in the comments below, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more fixes just like this.